Hey, what's up, everybody? Marcus here with your Monday market real estate update, and where I give you guys a quick snapshot of what's going on in the Chicagoland real estate market. So for this particular Monday, nothing's changed from the last couple of weeks, which is the market is doing really well. We've gone through these ebbs and flows in the market. Obviously, when quarantine first hit early March, the market kind of shut down as things, throughout the world shut down. And then once people kind of got an understanding of what was going on and got acclimated, market picked right back up and just really ran until like late June, early July, where things kind of flattened out and normalized. And then towards the end of July, mid-July, I would say probably, things picked back up significantly. And things are just still going crazy. We had 2 listings this weekend in South Plainfield, multiple offers. So that's the other thing I want to talk about. If you're thinking about selling, especially the market in the Chicagoland market as a whole is doing very well, very strong market, as is the majority of the country, and especially the suburbs. And yet, if you are thinking about selling wherever you are, you want to sell. One of the tendencies is to sell and speculate the market, meaning, hey, I'm going to price it. If the market is doing strong, I want to price my home higher than in anticipation that, the market is going to continue to grow. And actually, that's one of the last things you want to do. You want to price your home appropriately and maybe just slightly below market value, because that's going to draw significant interest where you're going to end up multiple offer situation. Remember, the buyers set the market, and if you're overpriced, the buyers will tell you. If you're at market value or slightly underpriced, the buyers will respond accordingly with multiple offers, and typically they will drive the value up. You just want to make sure they don't drive it over what it'll appraise for. All right, quick pricing tip. If you have a home that you have to sell, it needs some cosmetic updates. Let's just say carpeting, paint, something like that. And for whatever reason, you don't even have the time or the financial resources to take care of that, or just the desire to do it ahead of time. You just want the buyer to deal with that. There's a tendency sometimes to offer a credit to the buyer and just build that into the listing. So say, hey, the home costs $250 and we're going to offer the next buyer a $5,000 closing cost credit to cover carpeting. I typically recommend that you go a different route, and that's to actually either put carpeting in yourself or price it just below the $250, because you're going to get less than that most times anyway. And the buyer is always going to, I shouldn't say always, but they typically overestimate the cost of an improvement in their mind. So just adjust the price to factor in what the buyer is going to need for carpeting, and the market will respond favorably in most cases. All right. If you have any questions about your specific market, feel free to hit me up. I'll be happy to help answer any questions. Check out my business partner, Stephen Wednesday, for his Hump Day inspirational message. I will see you guys next time. Be good.